Hello, my dear students. Welcome again. And I am Sridhar. From the last class, we have been in the discussion of base conversion in a number system. So again, I gonna continue that session. In today's class, we are dealing with the number conversion again. That is the number conversion from binary to octal, and also how to convert a binary number into hexadecimal number. Okay. Without further ado, let's start. Then how to convert a number from binary to its equivalent octal number. As you know, binary number is the number which is a combination of only zeros and ones and which has the base as 2, and octal is the number which has the base 8. The number can be represented only from 0 to 7, right? So here, if the case is like this, say for example, if the number is 0 1 0 1 1 0, say for example, or you can take one more digit, that is 110 110. If this is the binary number, then how to convert this into its equivalent octal number? Before this, I think you know how to convert the binary number into decimal. Yes, that is by multiplying the base, that is 2, and we return the respective powers. If we add all those digits, we will get the equivalent decimal number. Fine. Then if the binary number is given, then how to convert that binary number into equivalent octal number? That is the case. It is very simple step. First step is to make the digits into group of 3, okay, and write their equivalent number. Okay, this is the these are the steps to convert a binary number into its equivalent octal number. Okay, then how to make the group? Here the number is given. I will write once again over here 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 0. Okay, what we written here, make the digits into group of 3. That is, first you need to make the group of 3. Here this is group. How to do those grouping should be from right to left. Remember this. It means that we have to make group like this. Okay, so I made a group like this, and I made one more group, that is like this. Here I have two groups are there. Okay, then what is the second step? Write their equivalent numbers. What is the equivalent number for 110? If I write 110 is nothing but 6. Again 110 is nothing but 6. What I got here? I got 66, which is the octal number, and its equivalent binary number is 110 110. Okay, this is how we can convert any binary number into its equivalent octal number. I think you have the question in your mind that how I written 6 directly. 6 is nothing but, if you do the calculation, you know that how to convert a binary to decimal. Same calculation you have to apply here, but we made grouping of 3, that is why it becomes 6. Why we made grouping of 3? If you convert this number into decimal, always the resultant will be less than 7, correct? Our octal number system has only 0 to 7. We will get equal to 7 or less than 7, will get the result. That is why the obtained number is always in the form of octal. That is because of we made the grouping of 3 digits. If you have the doubt how it 6 comes, you can take this first group, that is this one. I take that 1 into, you to convert to decimal, what we are doing, 1 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 0 into 2, 0, 1, 2, okay. This is 4, this is 2, this is 0. What I get? 4 plus 2 is 6. Yes, that's what I have written. This is also same digit, 110. Again, same procedure, 1 into 2 to the power 2 plus 1 into 2 to the power 1 plus 0 into 2 to the power 0. Again, I will get 6. That is why 66. I hope this is clear to you. I will take one more example how to solve this binary to decimal. Okay. Okay. Here I will take one more number, which is say for example 10111. If this is a binary number, how to convert this into its equivalent octal number? You can take the heading as binary to octal conversion. Okay, binary to octal conversion. Okay. Okay, as I told, what we have to do, first we have to take the digits 1 0 1 1 1, make the group of 3 from right to left. Okay, here I made one group, that is 1 1 1 belongs to first group. For the second group only I have 2 digits, correct? But I told that you have to make group of 3 digits, that is here 1 digits we still require. Always we are making the group from left to right, sorry, right to left, remember this. Okay. Okay, 1 digit we still require, so you just put 0. If this is the case, you need to put 0. Then write its equivalent number. What is the equivalent number for 111? That is 7. What is the equivalent number for 010? That is 2. The equivalent number from binary 10111 base is 2, that is 7. Okay, how to convert this directly? How I written this is 7 and this is 2? Simply I did the calculation like this: 1 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 1 into 2, write the power 0 1 2. Okay. Okay, 4 plus this is 2 plus this is 1, this is 7. Am I right? Okay, this is what I have written, 7, correct. For this, that is 0 into 2 to plus 1 into 2 plus 0 into 2, 0 1 2, this becomes 0 plus this is 2 plus 0, what I will get? 2. So this is what I have written here. Okay, fine. I hope this is clear to you, correct. Okay, one more shortcut trick I will tell you how to convert these binary numbers directly its equivalent octal or its equivalent decimal. Okay. Okay, see now, if the number is given, say for example same number I will take, that is 10111. Okay, we will write below here, say for example number is 10111. Okay, first I will tell you how to convert this into its equivalent decimal. Okay, first, already you know how to convert binary to decimal, but again I am telling you how to convert this into decimal without a calculation. Okay, see, the weights we need to write over the head of these digits. Weights means uh, weights are started from 1 and we have to write accordingly in the right to left again, that is 1 2 4 8 16, okay, 32 64 128 256 1000, like that we have to write. Okay, if the number is given, say what is the number given here? 10111. What I told you, we need to write the weights on the digits, that is the first digit is what? We need to write the weight for the first digit, that is 1. I write 1. Okay, second is 2, third one is 4, fourth one is what? 8, this is 16. Okay, then we have this binary digit. Wherever the ones are there, those weights we need to add. Remember this, wherever ones are there, those digits we need to add, and we will get the equivalent decimal number. Say here 1 is there, 2, 4. Here in the weight of 8 there is a 0. You should not add this. Okay, you should not add this 8. Only we need to add 16, 4, 2, 1. That is C 16, 4, 2, 1. Okay. 16 plus 4 is 20, 22, 23. Equivalent number is 23 in a decimal. That's it. If any binary number is given, one more I will take 1010. You know 1010 is equivalent to 10 in a decimal. Again we'll check it. Write weight 1, 2, 4, 8. Wherever the ones are present, add their weights. Wherever ones are present here 1 is there, that is 8. Okay, take 8. 4, that is 0 is there. 0th place is 4, don't add. 1 means this is 2. Okay, add this 2. Here again 0 is there, should not add this and should not add this. What is the result? That is 10. If you have any doubt, you can take this 1010 and calculate that. How to calculate this? This is 10. Directly I written 1 into 2 plus 0 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 1 0 into 2 0 1 2 3. Again you will get the same. This is 8 plus this is 0 plus 2 plus 0. 8 plus 2 is 10, right? This is the binary to decimal conversion, right? Again I get 10. Here also I get 10. This is the shortcut trick to convert any binary number to decimal. Okay. Okay, in the previous example we have seen that binary to octal. There I have given example like this. You can see it is there. Which one? 10111 was a binary to octal. Again I will tell you with the shortcut trick, or else you can calculate that also using the procedure. 10111 was there. If you are converting binary to decimal, directly you are writing the weights over here, correct, and adding all those weights, you will get the binary to decimal number. But for binary to octal, what we have to do? Binary to octal, I am writing very shortcut binary to octal, but you write binary to octal. If it is a binary to octal, make the grouping of 3. Okay, one group has formed. Here only I have 2 digits, I'll put 0, take the second group. Similarly, what I told, write the weights. Weights are like this: 1, 2, 4. This is done. Don't write here 8, because this group is separate and this group is separate. So again I write 1, 2, 4. What we have to add? Wherever the ones are present, those weights we have to add. Here ones are present at the below of 2, that is 2. Here ones are present in all these 3 digits, that is 4 to 1, that is 4 plus 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7. This is 27. 27 is the equivalent number in an octal for this binary number. I hope this is clear to you how to convert binary to octal. Okay. Now if the binary number in a fractional part, then how to convert? Say the same example I would like to take: 0 1 0 111. You know that if it consists of 0.111, okay, 11110, right, this is 0. Then how to convert this? Again same procedure I would like to write here, that is take the numbers 0 1 0 111.11110. Make the group of 3 digits, that is this is the first group. Okay, this is a fractional point, and okay, I written 0 here. Okay, before it was not there. Take this group. Okay, we have 3 groups, and you have to write the weights, that is this is 7, here it is there, that's why I am writing directly. This is 2, as you know. Point. Okay, for this fractional part we have to make the group of 3 digits from left to right, remember this. Okay, so I have to make the group. This is the first group. For the second group, only I have 1 0, so put one more 0. I hope this is clear to you. Again, same procedure. Write the weights 1, 2, 4. What I need to write here? 4 means what? This is 2 zeros are here. So I should not consider 2 and 1. Only I have to consider 4. That is, I will write 4. Here 1, 2, 4 again. If I add all these three digits, that is 7. So this is the number 27.70 or 74 in a octal number. In a octal number, which is equivalent for 0101111.1110. This is equivalent number. This is how we can convert binary to octal and binary fractional to octal. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. So I will give you some examples to solve and you have to solve those things. Okay, take the number in a binary. First number is, I hope you are watching this video. If you have any confusion, you can rewind this video and watch it again. Okay, say the binary number is, I would like to give you 1010.1010. You convert this binary into, you write the heading over here, that is binary to octal conversion. Okay, that is your work, into its equivalent octal. Second example, 110110. Convert this into its equivalent octal number. And the third part is 0.110011. Convert this into its equivalent octal number. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. So I would like to start the next conversion, which is hexadecimal to, or say again I will type binary to hexadecimal conversion. Binary to hexadecimal conversion. Then how to do this binary to hexadecimal? It is very simple and same like the binary to octal conversion. Say for example, again the number, if I have the number like 10111011, this is the binary number. Then if you want to convert this binary into its equivalent hexadecimal number, you know what is hexadecimal number? The number is from 0 to 15, right? The base is 16 always. How to convert this binary to hexadecimal now? To convert binary to hexadecimal, we have to do again grouping of, I write steps here, group of 4 digits. Why this is 4 digit? Octal number is always from 0 to 7. 3 digits are sufficient for the last highest bit, correct? Highest digit. Here we require 4 bits to write 15. That is 1111 means 15. I will tell you how this 15. So that we have to make the group of 4 digits. Second one is write equivalent hexadecimal number. That's it, hexadecimal number. Okay, so without further ado, we'll start 10110. Okay, 11. What is the first step? Group of 4 digits. So I would like to take, this is the first group. If you see in the second group, only we have 101, 3 digits only. What we have to do? Same like binary to octal, that is 101. We still require one more bit, so put 0 here. Correct. So this is the number. Now then you need to write the equivalent number for this first group and for the second group. What is the equivalent number for the first group? That is, if you calculate this, that is the shortcut trick is there, 1 2 4 8, correct? 1 2 3, that is 8 means 8 plus 3, what you will get? 11, right? See, this is 8. I write here 1 2 4 8. Okay, 8 plus 2 is what? 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. Right, 11. Here you take 1, 2, 4, 8. Only we need to add 4 and 1, that is 5. What is the hexadecimal number for this binary? That is 5 and 11. Okay, this is not 1 1, this is 11. But if you remember in hexadecimal number from 0 to 15, am I right? 0 1 2 up to 15. For 10, 10 can be written as A, correct, and 11 is written as B, correct, 12 is written as C, 13 is written as D, 14 is written as E, 15 is written as F. What we obtain? 5 11. So we have to write not like this, we have to write 5. Okay, 11 means what? B. 5B. 5B is the hexadecimal number for equivalent binary number. Okay, I write that result over here once again in this box. You observe that 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 is equal to 5B in a hexadecimal number. This is a binary number. I hope this is clear to you how to convert from binary to hexadecimal. Same procedure is there. Group of 4 digits, write the equivalent hexadecimal number. I written the shortcut trick. So if you have the doubt how to check this, first take this first group digits, that is 1011, and convert in the same manner while you are doing in the decimal, correct? Okay, this is how we can convert. And what if the case 101111, okay, I'll take 10. What was the digit before? 1011011, I think this was the digit 101111, right? If this digit is composed of fractional part, that is, say for example 001, okay, you take 11, whatever you take 1101. If this is the case, then how to convert this binary into its hexadecimal? Okay, say again same procedure you need to follow as you followed in the octal number system. Then you will get the result, that is 10110, okay, 11.1101, group of 4 digits, that is first group, and this is second group, but still I require one digit, so I put 0. Okay, okay, write its equivalent number, that is 1101 means what? This is 11 again, this is what? 1 4, it is 5. Okay, 511 can be written as 5B. Yes, point, because this point is here, convert this, this is 1, okay, 2 4 8, 8 plus 4 is 12, this is plus 1, what I write here? 1 2 4 8, 8 plus 4 is 12, this is 1, that is 13. I write 13 here. 13 means what? 13 means, once again I write, A means 10, B means 11, C means 12, D means what? 13. Here if it is a 13, you should not write 13, but you have to write D. So I write, this is D, this is B, okay, 5B point D. That is the hexadecimal number. It means that 10, okay, 1111.1101 in a binary is equivalent to 5B point D in a hexadecimal number. I hope this is clear to you how to convert a binary to decimal number section. number system with a fractional part. Okay. Now I'll give one example or two more examples to you to calculate from binary to hexadecimal number. Take the heading as binary to binary to binary to hexadecimal number. Okay, first number I will give you that. Okay, you take 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 point 1 1 1 1. Okay, 0 0 1 0. Okay, you remember this while you are doing the grouping of 4 digits in hexadecimal. This part you need to make group from right to left. For the fractional part you need to make the group like from left to right. Okay, remember this. Okay, like this you have to do. Okay, this is a binary number. Convert this into its equivalent hexadecimal. This is like this. Okay, second example is 1011110111.011. This is a binary number. Convert this into its equivalent hexadecimal number. Okay, and you have to submit to me. This is how we can convert from binary to octal, from binary to hexadecimal numbers. Okay, thank you.